it's only day 40 of lockdown. Can you believe we've been doing this for 40 days? I can't. Right, well, we're up, we're out. Off to get the camera. It's not raining. It's quite pleasant. It's chilly. It's a little bit damp underfoot. So I'm wondering if it's rained in the night, which might have put a stop to our fox footage in the night. But we'll soon find out. Look what I've spotted. Print. Almost directly in front. That's a little touch there. There's another one. There's another one there. Another one there. Another one there. And that's just leading up to location 1 where we first saw the fox. Right, I'll have to come back and check that. That definitely looks like fox tracks to me. A lot of dew on the grass. Mist over the field, over the far side. Right, camera's just there. Let's go and check it out. Can you see it? I can see it. All the bait's gone. It's a strong scent. So I think I learnt a very valuable lesson last night in the art of wildlife camera placement. As you will have noticed from this morning, the camera was set really low to the ground, and because of the heavy dew, that seemed to get all over the lens and probably all over the sensor as well. There was actually footage of me coming to collect the camera. I was literally just about sat in front of the camera when it triggered, and it was just covered in dew, and the actual footage was so blurred you couldn't tell what was going on. I knew it was me, but anybody watching the video wouldn't have a clue. So yeah, it was a big lesson learned, that having that camera so low just got covered in dew. So I did get footage of the fox, but it was just going past the camera and walking around the path off towards the stream, and I just got 2 clips. Got a couple of clips of the rabbits, and all the bait went, but the camera didn't seem to trigger where the bait was. So tonight I'm going to be placing the camera back on a tree, back in the woodland, probably location 1, where we first spotted the fox. But I'm going to make it work for its cocktail sausages tonight, as I'll show you later. So that new fox sighting, location 11, is another entry on my fox sighting map, and it's just giving me more information and just building up a better picture of the fox's movements. So even though it was only 2 clips, it's all valuable information, so I'll take that. It's not bad, is it? It's about 5 to 9. It's still daylight. I can't place the camera yet, so I'm going to have to wander around for a bit more. About a week ago, I'd have placed the camera and I'd be on my way back by now. So that's where I'm going to be placing the camera tonight, on one of these trees, right by the stream. And that is where I'm going to be putting the bait. I'll put it up on top of the log. See if you can find it. I'll put a little bit down here as well, just to tempt it in. But yeah, we'll make it work tonight. So as always, if you enjoyed that, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here, or the one down below. And don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next one. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.